Namakkal Hanuman Temple is located in Namakkal, in Tamil Nadu, India, and is dedicated to Lord Hanuman. As per the legends, after killing the demon Hiranyakasipu, Lord Narasimha disappeared in the form of a Salagrama, post which Prahlatha started worshipping this Salagrama. In Threta Yuga, Lord Hanuman on his way back from Himalayas brought along with him a Salagrama after replacing the Sanjeevani hill. While on his journey, Lord Hanuman had to stop at Mahalakshmi's birthplace to perform his Sandhyavandana near the Kamalalayam Pushkarani. He requests Devi Lakshmi to keep the Salegrama with her and proceeded with the Sandhyavandanam. Getting exhausted of the excruciating weight, Devi kept the salagram on the ground. Finishing the Sandhyavandana, Lord Hanuman tried to lift the Salagrama. Suddenly it grew into a huge rock. Lord Narasimha appeared before Lord Hanuman and Lakshmi Devi and said, "O Hanuman, go and serve Sri Rama in this Threta Yuga, and may come pray to me throughout the Kali Yuga." Lord Narasimha Temple, Namakkal. The temple is believed to be built during the 8th century by the Pandya kings in Dravidian rock-cut architecture. The name Namakkal derives from Namagiri, which is the name of the single rock formation at the center of the town. The Sanctum Sanctorum and the Ardha Mandapam are situated in the cave. This is the manifestation of Lord Narasimha, emerged from a Salagrama which was brought by Lord Hanuman. The deity Lord Narasimha is in sitting posture facing west, appearing before Lord Hanuman and Devi Lakshmi. This place is also known by the name Trimurti Sthala. It is very rare to see the Trimurtis in one place. This is the Lakshmi Narasimha temple inside the temple premises. This temple situated within the temple complex is dedicated to the goddess Namagiri Lakshmi. Namakkal Hanuman Temple is located in Namakkal, and is dedicated to Lord Hanuman. The temple has a pillared hall leading up to the sanctum. The image of Anjaneya in front of the Narasimha temple is perpetually worshipping Lord Narasimha, who is about 250 feet away. The wonder of this darshan is that the eye of Anjaneya points straight to the Narasimha temple. This is a 18 feet, 5.5 meter tall statue, making it one of the tallest images of Lord Hanuman in India. The temple of Lord Narasimha and the temple of Sri Anjaneya at Namakkal attracts thousands of devotees from across the country.